Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels. I'm here with my latest unboxing. So if you're familiar with me and my channel, then it probably wouldn't have taken you too much thinking to guess what my husband got me for Christmas, which was shoes. My husband did pretty good. He knew that I needed a pair of mules in my collection. Granted, these aren't your standard regular mules, but they are in fact mules. So he wanted to kind of help me further build, so to speak, and he also wanted to get me something kind of flashy and more dressy than what I currently already have, which is pretty dressy considering that I have several pairs of Louboutins, Jimmy Choo. I have a few other brands here and there that I've been dabbling in. So I know you guys want to get right into it, and that is what we are going to do. So somehow, some way, my husband managed to find these on sale, 40% off, not at an outlet. For once, me at an outlet. If you're familiar with me, you know my love of outlets. He actually went to the Jimmy Choo on Rodeo in Los Angeles. Somehow managed to find these on sale, and he thought to himself these would be great for a special occasion like Christmas. So I would say he did good to give me a very special occasion shoe. I don't think I would really wear these out and about unless I was on like a date night or going to a wedding or another special occasion as such. And here is one of them. Not sure how well it's picking it up on camera, but these are not the standard regular Jimmy Choo Bings. These, instead of just having a strap of crystals, have a strap of pearls going around the foot, which I think that's pretty unique. You don't typically see pearls on shoes unless it's either Jimmy Choo or Manolo Blahnik, I'm pretty sure. I've seen lately for the big name designers doing pearls. I certainly don't recall seeing pearls on Louboutins recently, but if y'all do, let me know in the comments. I'll go ahead and take the paper out so you can get a better look at the shoe. See how it looks. It's your classic pointed toe with sort of a modern twist. And these are arguably the most popular Jimmy Choo shoes going. Like, you typically can never find Bings on sale, so I was surprised when he told me that he managed to find them 40% off. Like, especially in the patent black, that is very difficult to find. I know you can find these in all sorts of colors and with all sorts of different things on the strap. There's definitely a variety if that is what you're looking for, but he knows me, and he knows that I'm not too flashy and too colorful in my taste, so he knew that was going to be more than enough for me just in that strap, because if you're familiar with me, I'm not too wild about sparkle and bling and all that jazz, but in these I'll make an exception because it's not a crazy amount of pop, at least in my opinion. I know opinions can vary, but for me it's not crazy. It's definitely a going out shoe, a dress up shoe, a wedding shoe. If only we were getting married again. Maybe if we ever do a vow renewal or something, I'll go ahead and wear these. So I'm not really sure what else to say about them other than I surprisingly really like them. They're not usually my taste, but they're very popular, and I've also heard that they are in fact quite comfortable for a pair of 4-inch heels. So eventually maybe he'll take me out on a date night and I can put him to the test, because if you're familiar with me, I know I keep saying that. But if you know me and you know my channel, I actually like to go out and put my shoes to the test and show you guys what I think when I wear them for the first time. So I think I will finally go ahead and shut up and throw these on, and I'm sure you guys will tell me exactly what you think of them, so I will see you in a bit.